Hey everybody, how you doing? Joel here. Lil Bleu, MG Midget Adventures, LALLBLEU, MG Midget Adventures out here working on Lil Bleu today. I got first car show tomorrow. Getting kind of excited. Got her all cleaned up. I'm gonna show you what I did. She's all done. Put the top up because it's supposed to rain tomorrow a little bit, so I want to have the top up nice and clean. So here we go. Here she is. Look at her. Don't have any video of her with the top up. All waxed, all cleaned, all ready to go. Right on in. Go inside a little bit. Go off the inside. Yep. Little doors. Here she is. Lil Bleu. It's been a long winter. It's nice to get her back together. She's running great. I just have a few minor electrical issues, nothing major. I got a bad ground in the right driver's driving light, but you know, other than that, the fog lights aren't hooked up yet. But I don't drive it at night, so I'm not too worried about it. I'll work on that next week. Get all the electrical buttoned up on that way. The turn signals work, brake lights work, so that's the main thing. Yeah. Do me a solid. I'm going to be doing some video tomorrow at the car show. Check me out, share me, like me. I like the show, like the whatever. Tired, it's been a long day. Pizza's going to be here in a minute. But anyway, Joel here in a little town with a little car, little dreams, and little money left. I'm gonna sign out. Lil Bleu, MG Midget Adventures, ILILBLEU, MG Midget Adventures, signing out.